Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria if you've never seen me before. Today's video is gonna be this easy, quick, wet and wavy look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like I can just get right into the video now. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair to look like this, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so basically this is what my hair looks like from when I went to sleep and woke up. You can see that it's pretty puffy. There's still curls in there, or waves I guess you would call them, but it needs some love, obviously. What I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna take my spray bottle with water. If you like to put, I don't know, like leave-in conditioner or whatever like in your hair, I feel like now would be a good time to add that to your spray bottle. Me, I just use water, so I'm pretty sure I got this spray bottle for like $1 from the beauty supply store. You can literally find these anywhere. I feel like everyone has them already, but if you don't, beauty supply store for below. So yeah, I'm just gonna start to spray my hair. And then I'm gonna take this brush. This brush is from the Vanity box. And I'm just gonna start to brush through my hair to just get any of the tangles out. Now you see the difference between the wet side and the poofy side. Low-key, I feel like this hair is kind of cute when it's poofy too, but you know, I also like the wet and wavy, so that's what we gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the other side. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like once it's wet. I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. I'm gonna grab this, it's called S-Curl No Drip. I'm gonna just run this through my curls so that they could be popping, okay? Like, I mean, they're already popping now, but we trying to make it stay popping throughout the day. Like, that's the goal of this. So I found that this works for me. I've used it so much that it's basically kind of like empty, but normally you would spray it into your hand and then like run it through your hair. That's what I would do. But yeah, since I'm running out, I'm just gonna pour it on out and run it through my hair that way. It looks nasty, but it smells good. So yeah, I just run it through my curls just like this. And then I like to kind of like rub some of it off on the top just to kind of, I don't know, like get rid of flyaways. There really was no flyaways to begin with, but I feel like it's because I do this. I don't know, maybe it's just for my mental. Okay, so next, Eco Styler. And I like this one because I don't know, I just don't feel like, I don't think it's like strong gel, you know what I mean? Like I feel like it's low-key made for this. Everybody knows Eco Styler don't work for your edges. I mean, for some people it does, but for people with my type hair, it doesn't work for your edges, so I kind of like made another use for it, and it's these curls, okay? So yeah, I'm basically gonna do the same thing that I did with the last product, put it in my hand and run it through my curls. And I have a lot, like I be using a whole bunch of this stuff because I want to get it through to like every single curl and all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna get up to show you guys like how I kind of scrunch it. Kind of just take it from the bottom and scrunch it like this. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my wet and wavy look. Super fast, like it literally takes 5 minutes. Put this in your hair and be done, be out, be ready for the day, okay? I also want to throw in that I do feel like it has a lot to do with what hair you have. This hair specifically is from the Vanity box. It's their Malaysian curly hair. I have an closure and 3 bundles. The closure is 18 inches and then the 3 bundles are 24, 26, and 28. Anyways, I'm rambling. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole video. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys try it and make sure to give this video a like. Make sure you comment if you have your own routine, what products you like, and of course subscribe. Like, what are you waiting for? Let me know. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.